is a charity that works with people of all ages. We support adults and young people who help to look after someone close to them. This can be someone with a physical condition or illness, emotional condition or illness, or difficulties with substances.
My name is Sally Duckers and I work with young and young adult carers in North Montgomeryshire.
Hi, my name's Sian. I'm an outreach worker in Ystrad and surrounding areas.
Hello, I'm Jane and I work with young carers and young adult carers in Brecon, which covers the Crickhowell, Hay, Talgarth, Sennybridge areas.
Hello everyone, I'm Tara and I work with the young carers in the Mid Powys, covering Landod, Bilf, Raider and the surrounding areas.
Hello, my name's Amy and I work in Mahuntlith and the Dovey Valley area as a family support worker for young carers.
Hi, I'm Matt Rising and I am the Young Carers Outreach Worker for the Newtown area, East Radnorshire and Llanidloes.
The Young Carers Outreach team have a presence in all the high schools across Powys. We sometimes have information boards, designated drop-ins, run assemblies or workshops, as well as linking with our carers champions and key teachers.
We run a Young Carers Club every week on a Tuesday in Landod after school, where we offer all kinds of activities from football, dodgeball, pool competitions, crafts, music and whatever it is the young carers would like to do. There are also other clubs that are run all over Powys on different times and days, which also offer different activities.
What we can offer our carers is that individual, one-to-one, face-to-face support, really giving that opportunity to have that conversation, that space to really get to the heart of the matter and what matters to them.
Although I'm a young carers outreach worker, I do something called family work, which enables me to be able to work with any member of the family to help improve the situation and circumstance at home, because sometimes it's not just the carers that need support. There can be other dynamics in the family where perhaps somebody else needs support, and by them receiving that support from us, it improves the life and the well-being of the young carer involved.
Listening to and elevating young carers' voices is paramount to what Credu does. We want to know what is most important to them. Awareness raising is always important to them. They have been incredible at raising their voices. Some have joined the Welsh Youth Parliament, sitting in the Senedd with other young people in Parliament discussing what's important to them.
One of the main reasons I love my role so much is because we are people focused. We really do listen to our carers and what matters to them. Our aim as an organisation is to help carers be the happiest they can be.